Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do my wash day routine using only 3 products. Let's get into today's video. So first I'm going to start out by rinsing my hair. You guys, I literally run my hair under the water for 3 to about 5 minutes each time I wash my hair. I try to make sure my hair is saturated. I am a 4C girl and my hair loves water. However, when I haven't washed my hair in a week, I just need to make sure that it gets deep down to all the hair particles and gets down to the root, because my hair is so thick. So if you don't, try it, girl. Try just literally saturating your hair and watch the difference that you feel. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my Balanced Apple Cider Vinegar Sulfate-Free Shampoo made by AG Care. You guys, I love this shampoo. Look at it. It just suds up. Now, I'm not the type of girl who just puts the soap on top of my scalp, but I like to make sure I get down to every strand, because if you're a 4C, you know our hair is really kinky, and which means it has a lot of waves, and I want to make sure that every strand of my hair is clean from all the products that I put on it throughout the week. So I make sure that I actually put the shampoo on every strand of hair, because I just don't feel like it's getting down to it if I just do it on my scalp. But that's just me for my 4C hair. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply my conditioner. This is made by the same brand as my shampoo. So it is the Apple Cider Vinegar Silicone-Free Conditioner. Now this brand it is vegan, clean ingredients, and cruelty-free as well. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply it from ends to roots. I like starting with the oldest part of my hair and going up to the newest, just to make sure that that has conditioner on it longer than anything else. And then I'm going to go ahead and work it through my entire hair. Like, my hair is thick. So it's important that I get down into them roots to make sure every piece of hair has some good conditioner on it. Now that I have the conditioner all through my hair, I'm just going to softly detangle my ends just enough so I can go ahead and part my hair into 4 sections. And then I'm just going to clip them up with these little clips that I found from the beauty supply store. Guys, I bought some for Sally's and they broke. So I ended up just going to the hair store, and those have been lasting me. But I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair into 4 sections real quick. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and now I'm going to start detangling my hair. Now I do use my fingers too as well, but interchangeably I use this little brush here. I got it from Ulta Beauty. I think it may have been like $9.99. I really like it because it stretches out too, and it's able to get into every strand. So I kind of use this tool in between my fingers. So, well, should I say interchangeably with my fingers when I'm detangling my hair. Now that I have my hair detangled, I'm just going to 2-strand twist it down lightly, and then I'm just going to pin it up so it's out the way so I can continue to detangle another section. Now that I have detangled my hair, I just like to take everything down and just run my fingers through there. As you know, you probably can never get all the tangles out your hair, but I just like to be able to run my fingers through there before I rinse my hair out. Now I do go ahead and I rinse out all my tools before I rinse my hair out, just because I'm going to be using them in the styling section and I don't like to have that conditioner on there. But that is totally just my preference. Now I'm going to go ahead and rinse all that conditioner out. Now when I'm rinsing my conditioner out, I do tend to run my fingers through my hair to continue to detangle it, because you already know if you have 4C hair, the water is going to make it get tangled right back up. So I like to just run my fingers through my hair and continue to detangle as I am rinsing the conditioner out. Now that my hair is all the way rinsed out with the conditioner, I'm going to add the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. This is for kinky, curly, and waver textures hair. So while my hair is soaking wet, because it works better when your hair is drenched in water, I'm just going to apply it throughout my hair from my ends all the way up to my roots. So I'm just going to work this through my hair. So it's just combing my fingers through my hair with the product, and I add product as needed. You can literally feel it applying to your hair, so you can just put on however much you think you need to put on there. Me personally, I just kind of rake my hands through my hair and making sure every strand is coated. Now I'm going to go ahead and just make a part in my hair, because I'm going to sit on the dryer and I like my part on this side, so when it dries, that's where my part will be. Now I'm just going to section my hair off and I'm going to rake my hair. So with the product, if I need more, I'll add more on there, but I'm literally going strand by strand, making sure every product is coated, because it is a gel product, so it's going to make my curls stay. Now you will see throughout this video, well, this part of the video, I will add more water because my hair tends to dry really fast, and so this product works best when your hair is soaking wet. So I like to add more water than product, so I tend to add more water to my hair, and sometimes I do add a little bit more product. It just depends on how I feel, but you're gonna see me do my whole head just like this. I'm gonna be adding water and then a little product if needed, and I'm just gonna be raking my hair, making sure I coat every strand with this gel because I want my hair to stay. Now in the front, I'm going to finger coil my hair because I do have some damaged pieces in the front that are straight pieces from when I got my hair done back in October. So I just like to finger coil it until it grows out, and then I can cut it off. But that's usually what I do to the front of my hair, just because it doesn't curl like the rest of my hair. So here I'm just raking my hands through my hair. Girl, the bounce back is real. I don't know about you, but when my hair can stretch and bounce right back, I just feel like it is super healthy. Like, girl, come on, curls. I see you. We gotta love our 4C hair. Alright, so now that we're at the front and we have raked all the product through our hair, you see them straight pieces, y'all. Can't wait to get them cut. I just like to shake my hair out, get that hair moving, just in case it's a little stiff. Now I've set it in the dryer here for 45 minutes, y'all. 45 minutes, but I did let it air dry for maybe an hour or two just to make sure my hair was dry because I needed time, as you see, to paint my nails. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this nice little pick and pick out my roots just because I like my hair to be a little bit big and it's currently flat right now, but as the days go on, you know, your hair will get a little bit bigger. But I'm not gonna do too much touching to it, only because, you know, it'll make it frizz up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fluff it out to my desired length, and that's what you can do too as well. Now here's what the back of my hair looks like, guys. I feel like it is very defined and I love it. Now I did this using only 3 products, you guys, and it's cut my wash day in half. Like, it's crazy how fast I'm able to wash my hair. The longest part is literally drying. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you try using these 3 products, please let me know. Now make sure you do the things that all YouTubers tell you to do: like, comment, and subscribe. So until next time, I'll see you later.